On this video, we are going to see how to create a circle image in Elementor. At first, we have to go to our website, then open a page, and then we have to take an Elementor elements. Then drag an image here. We have to select an image from our folder. So just click on an image and then select. This is our image. So we can create an image circle in two ways. At first, we can go to border radius. Border radius will create this image circle. So at first we have to select here pixel to percentage and give it 100%. And the image is now circle. We have another way. We have to go to advanced if we want to create this image circle without border radius. We have to go to advanced, then go under mask and then click on mask on. Now see, this image is circle. You can add here another option, then flower. You can add triangle. You can add blob, and you can add any kind of custom image from your folder. And this is how we can make our image circle.